guys, welcome back. And today we are talking tabletop. And I know it's getting close to that time of the year where you're gonna maybe want friends or family kind of coming in and you wanna rock that look. You want it to be groovy on the top of your table. So let's go. So, tabletops can be a mess in a hurry. We want to avoid this. So, I'm going to show you 6 easy pieces that you're going to put together in a hurry and make it all groovy and right on style for you. So, here's the reality. Your tabletop always wants to reflect your design style. So, if you're a minimalist, you can go with super simple. Keep it plain, not a problem. If you're transitional, then you want to kind of consider mixing up a few elements maybe that are a little bit more traditional in direction with some contemporary pieces. There's some lovely ideas over in here that really make that work. Now, if you're a traditionalist, go to town. Use some stuff your mom had, just go for it and really make it piled on. And that's very traditional looking. There's easy ways to do that too. So the number one easy piece to understand is plating. Now, if you don't already have them, go out right now and get yourself a set of white plates. Why? White plates work with everything. You can see there's tons of options out there. They work with every style, and the key to it is food looks good on white. And that's really important when you're considering what you're going to be serving. If you've got a white backdrop, you're good to go. So make sure you've got some white plating. You can mix it in with some other fun stuff. Never a problem. Look at these beautiful blue and white ones, or I love these little ones with the blue rim, or how about this bistro set? These are all fabulous, and they all work with the basis of the white plating. So you can get them in a lot of places, but that's your number one tip. Number 2 piece is Serveware. Now, what's Serveware? Serveware is not the actual stuff that you eat off of. It's things like salad bowls, soup tureens, platters, things like that you see here. Now, there's 2 rules of thumb with Serveware. One is if it's going to go on the table with you guys, then the Serveware needs to work with the plating. And that's super important. If it's going to be served from another space like the kitchen and then brought into the table, then it needs to have its own little story, but it can be a little different from your plating that's on the table. Easy! Third easy piece is Flatware. Okay, super simple on this one, but I've got a pro tip for you, which is it's all the forks and knives and spoons that you're going to be placing onto the table and eating with, as well as some of the tongs and things like that that you serve with. And those tend to want to look the same. And the key there is this. It needs to read like your style statement. I mean, look at these beautiful contemporary ones. Or I love this pewter traditional one from Williams-Sonoma. That's amazing if you're a transitionalist or a traditionalist. But here's the secret, which is Flatware is all about how it feels in your hand. So it may look totally groovy to have a 3-pronged fork, but if you don't like using it, you're not gonna use it. So make sure you've tried it out and you've handled it before you buy. Easy! Number 4 piece that you want to include is, of course, your glassware. Now, that's easy. Number 1 thing you want to remember is always set a water glass out, because there may be people who don't want to have an alcoholic beverage and you want to make sure that water is included. Then it divides down to, are you wine drinkers? If you're wine drinkers, set out a flight. There's some gorgeous ones out there. And if you're a cocktail drinker, then make sure you definitely have that water glass, and then whatever fabulous cocktails you're serving that night goes on the table as well. Easy! Oh, and don't forget, if you're already a member of the club, you want to definitely go check out my deep dive on all things bars. Oh, I go into a ton of info about glassware and bar paraphernalia. It's really fun. And if you haven't joined the Design Club yet, go to www.thedezignclub.com and get on board. I can't wait to see you there. Next, number 5 easy piece is serviettes or napkins, as many people know them, and those are very simple. You want to have them fabric. So think about linens, think about there's even some groovy tie-dyed ones. They can be plain or they can be patterned. Maybe you've got something from grandma that she stitched herself. Oh, those are fabulous. But you want to make sure that you have them and they're displayed in the right way on your tabletop so that they accent and flow with everything and speak about your design style. Easy. Oh, now guys, I've saved the best for last, and that is number 6 easy piece, centerpieces. Oh my gosh. Okay, now this one can really go off the rails quickly. So you want to remember 2 things. A, it needs to unify the entire tabletop. It also needs to speak to your design style statement. If you're sitting in a situation where your diners are across from each other, you want to keep it on the lower side so that they can see each other. There's some beautiful ones out there. You can do something, if you're a minimalist, as simple as a plain table runner. Nothing else. These look great. Now, if you're a little bit more of a transitionalist, you may want to add something in, like maybe a center bowl of florals or something like that, keeping it lovely and kind of low. And if you're a traditionalist, you can get really groovy with this. Just don't let it get carried away. And that's the key. Remember that the centerpiece unifies the table together. So there's lots of inspiration in these photos, and it's a really fun section to be super creative with. So have fun with it. So guys, remember, the tabletop is a decor composition unto itself. So you want to have it relate both to your space and to, of course, what it's doing, which is serving people food. But the most important thing is, for you want to create a tabletop that celebrates a sense of ceremony, whatever that may mean for you in your life. And that's what's fun about it. All right, guys, now if you like these videos, be sure and subscribe, smash the bell, do all those things. It's super helpful for our channel. And if you really want to know more, make sure to go over to some of these videos here, and I'll see you guys next week.